I decided to go outside with Olive. I think I'm gonna try to have her fly to me in the gazebo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this, but we'll try. Are we gonna try? Are we gonna try to fly? Are we gonna try to fly? Huh? Yeah? We'll see. Ready? Come on. Good job. Ready? Come on. And this is such a good exercise to do recall training outside like this. It's screened in, so she can't escape, but she hears all of the outside noise that makes her pay attention to other things. So that's really good to keep the focus and desensitize her from her surrounding. Come on, Eve. Good job. She was on the perch and she was literally like, okay, so what are you doing? Why are you not recalling me? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Baby girl? Station? Arif? Station? No. See how she's being... So Lucy is inside and she's playing with her bowl and it's making this big sound. It's making her nervous. Okay, station? Station, one more time. Station? Come on. Come on, baby. Station. Come on. Station, baby. You can do it. No? Come on, station. Come on, baby. Good job.